Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to create this Whitewalker look, firstly I blocked my eyebrows using an Elmer's glue stick, and I put about 4 or 5 layers of the glue on and flattened my eyebrows down, and then I concealed them and powdered over the top as well. Oh god, I look so horrible without eyebrows. Anyway, and then I used these reindeer prosthetics because I thought they kind of looked like the Night King's horns, and I stuck those on using spirit gum. I then went into a white face paint and I started to paint on the highlights of the Whitewalker's face. Now the one I copied in particular was the Night King, and I'll pop a picture of him down below. So yeah, I just kind of painted on all of like the areas that I could see from his face that were like highlights, and I just got as many of the details in as possible. I also added some extra bits on top of the antlers, and I just used some liquid latex and cotton wool just to make them like more like the spikes that he has on his face. I then went into a light blue face paint and I just painted in all the rest of the areas in between the areas that I'd painted white. I painted my eyelids black, and I made sure I started low in the corner of the eye, going further up to the outer edge, and this creates this low hanging brow that the Night King has. Using a black eyeshadow I started to add some more details, so the areas that I'd painted blue I started to shade them in. I lightly stippled some white paint over the top of the design just to make sure there was none of my skin colour coming through. I then went back into the black eyeshadow and just added more details, just trying to copy what I could kind of see on his face. I also added some dark shading to the cheekbones to make me look a bit emaciated and dead like he does. I went into a black face paint, and on a super fine brush I just added more details all around the face. Went back into the white and just re-added all the highlights as well. I wanted to take the makeup down onto my body, so I just stippled on patches of white and pale blue paint, and then I added some details using a black eyeshadow, and I just wanted the chest to look a bit like worn away, like zombie-ish. So I added details with black eyeshadow, just making it match the face. I then added some blue contact lenses, and I put black eyeshadow all around the eyes, and then I popped a bit of this dark grey lipstick on the inside of my lips, and then I just painted on the lines. So if you look at him, he doesn't have any lips really, so I just added those details and put a bit of blue on my bottom lip, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you watch Game of Thrones. Thanks for watching, bye.
I cannot give you back your homes or restore your dead to life, but perhaps I can give you justice in the name of our King.